Look at this, Wilkinson County. The slope is repaired. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about if you drive around here. US 441 southbound experienced a slope failure. We've been having a slope repair project going on out here to prevent this from happening again. We are ready to put traffic back on these southbound lanes. We're getting ready to open both southbound lanes. The northbound side will stay one lane for the next few days. As part of the contract, crews will repave this part of the road as well, so expect some traffic shifts. Here's a look at what our engineers came up with. This wall of sheet pile goes much deeper into the ground than what you see right now, and it's supported by anchors that have been drilled in diagonally. You can see that we have also added some drainage to help channel water flow. Altogether, everything here is designed to keep this slope up and prevent any future issues. As always, I ask you to please drive with caution when traveling through this work area. Crews will still need to be out here to finish up some punch list work even after they're done paving that northbound section of 441. So please, when you come up on this area, still drive with caution. Thanks, everyone.